Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about projections in Civil 3D section view. AutoCAD points, blocks, multi-view blocks, also the survey points can all be projected onto sections in Civil 3D, and this might sometimes be quite useful if you have like some reference points where you need to amend or change the profile of the road based on these references. I'll be doing an example to show how we can show these projections in Civil 3D. At the moment, I've got a sample line here, and next to that sample line, there is a tree on the verge or on the embankment of the road. I will first I'll try to look at the cross section at that point. So I'll select the sample line, right click, and select zoom to section view, and this is the section view exactly at that location, and you can see it's only showing the information about the road and some information about the footway, the carriageway with the curbs, and the multi-layers of the pavement, and then you've got the embankment at that location, but it doesn't show any tree at the moment. So how I can project the tree in the section view, I'll go back to that area of the sample line. So right click after selecting the cross section and select again zoom to sample line, and here we go, we went back to that location at change 10+50. To project the tree into that section view, select from section views, project objects to section view. It will ask me select object to add to section view, so I will select that tree and then click enter. The software will prompt me with another question, another instruction: select a section view or sample line. So I want to show the tree on that sample line, so I'll click on that sample line, and I'll be prompted to the wizard of project objects to section view. In here, I've got the tree that I'm trying to project, and what I'll do, I'll just amend the style. Now I will do zoom to section view again. So I'll select the sample line, right click, zoom to section view. Now, as we can see, the tree now appears in that section view with the elevation specified for that tree and the offset in the cross section. It is also good to notice that from the options that are available in section views, you've got project objects to multiple section views, which we haven't used because we are using just one object, but we can actually do it for a bunch of different objects as well. So now it will ask me to select the sample line or section view. If I select the section view, the project objects to multiple section views wizard will appear, and if you notice the information here, it is linked to a section view group, because as I mentioned, we do it for a bunch of sections in one go, and the section group should be selected first, and then what are the rules for projections, how we want Civil 3D to project the different objects into the sections. So here it shows just an example of or sample line here, the sample line in the middle, sample line at the end, and how all the objects within the first sample line and 50% distance between this sample line and the other sample line, it will be the left part will be on the left sample line. For the middle sample line, it will take from two parts, this part here and this part here, at a 50% distance again between the sample lines. So this is a very useful preview on how it will automatically pick up the objects in the section view. Also here you could select the different types of objects. You can deselect some of them if you don't want them to be shown in the view, and just select OK, and it will do that for you. It's very useful, especially when you do the design. Thank you for watching. I hope I can see you for other times.